We're gonna go get some dinner at a 24-hour vending machine.
Yes!
I don't know why that's so exciting, but I'm excited.
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's go find garbage food.
Grab and go. Hamburger vending machines. Let's see, what do we have? Big burger, barbecue rib. What is that? This is not gonna turn out well. Number 6. Wait, please.
3, 2, 1.
Burger. Can you hold my burger, please?
It's hot! Oh, darn it. I did 1. 14.
No. Wait. No. What did you do? You want a taco waffle?
Yeah!
Okay.
2, 1.
Good.
Yeah, the waffle!
Oh, you're already eating?
I'm hungry. I'll give it a 3. I actually typed in the wrong code. I did 5-4. I was supposed to do 5-7. I'm not eating it.
That's gonna be disgusting.
Third pass. That's all. Third pass. Okay, 5-7. 5-7. 5-7. 5-7. My pizza's broken. I need bacon out of a vending machine.
This is the game called What Would You Eat Out of a Vending Machine?
I think I have some serious problems later.
I expect this food to be
Dinner.
Is it delicious?
No.
Is it everything that you hoped it would
No.
be? Feeling good after that waffle? No. I don't even know if I want to finish this.
I don't even want to eat mine.
Didn't you just have food poisoning? Don't you want to get food poisoning again?
No.
Babe, look how much money you're just wasting.
The entertainment value will pay us back in YouTube ads, I'm sure.
Wait, you're eating the center of it? Isn't it frozen?
Apparently not.
Dude, watching you is making me uncomfortable.
Can I have Jello for dinner?
Normally I don't eat sugary cereal, but there's not much savory foods in, like, for breakfast. So it's a lot of sugary stuff. Unfortunately, all the granola has sugar in it. I don't know why. But thankfully, this isn't going to be the only thing that we eat today. We're gonna go eat some food. Some good food. I will have this coffee though. Yeah, they do coffee right. There's even graffiti on the boat. I see you.
Out today trying to redeem our disgusting vending machine experience yesterday. So I actually booked a food tour for us. I booked it a couple weeks ago and I have been looking forward to it like crazy. So it's just our family, so it's a private tour all around Lisbon. 10 tastings and food and drink and everything. So I'm really excited. I've never done a food tour. Anyway, that's the plan today and I could not be more excited.
We're going on a food tour, and that is going to be exciting. Mostly for Tilly, but partly for us too, because we get to play along and pretend like we're foodies. She's a foodie, and we're excited about it. Okay. Do I look pretty? Instagram. Oh shoot! This is why I'm not Insta worthy. There we go. Just like that, like as if we planned it, it starts to rain. Hopefully that doesn't ruin our food tour. You guys are awesome.
Need the mystery. Hope you see what I can see. 'Cause I don't
geared up nicely so far, so you know, I can stop this doom or whatever. Like, there's all this negativity with the rain and whatnot. It's beautiful now, so, and there's a little bit of wind kind of taking the humidity out, which is good. And now we're just waiting around for our guide. In the meantime, we're gonna watch some trolleys go by, because that's what you do here in Lisbon.
What do you think?
Very chewy and oily. Good.
This is the oldest operation bookshop in the world.
Oh my goodness.
From 1732. And then finish with the rest of the liqueur and the chocolate.
So leave a little of the liquid in your mouth and then eat a piece of the chocolate at the same time. And then you do what you want, but.
I kind of felt.
Is it good? Oh, nice. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Oh, it's all down your shirt now.
Love it.
Like Baileys, but with piri piri.
What? Really? This is gonna be spicy?
It's chocolate liqueur with piri piri. And piri piri is their version of like a really, really hot sauce.
It's much.
This gentleman made it himself. It's hot.
So it'll be like chocolate and chili.
This isn't a Portuguese trick on
This
us.
is alcohol.
I heard piri piri, so I'm like,
Piri
okay.
piri is spicy.
You're so fruity.
I like you.
That's really good. I really like that. That's good. I like it. The ginger cuts on the spice.
Yeah.
So, and then the chocolate like overlays it. That's really good. That's really
If you
good.
wanna buy, they have baby ones.
Perfect. Oh, so she can sleep at night. Well, we had quite a blustery couple of days. It's been so weird. Every time we try to go out, we go out at the wrong time of day or something. Everybody's always asleep, or I don't know. It's not even like Spain. Like there's just nobody open. Every time we try and go out, I don't know if they just close because of the weather or what, but like their hours will say, you know, we're open from like, I don't know, 10:30 till midnight or something like that. And like we'll show up at noon and nobody's out. There's nobody around. There's no shops that are open. And then all of a sudden we come out on Sunday and it's absolutely gorgeous and the place is hopping. I mean, what the? Everybody's out on the beach. They're all doing Zumba classes. There's like Tai Chi back here. People are kayaking. Sailboats are out. It's gorgeous. I don't get it. So there's just a different schedule that we don't get here, and that's okay. I love it, but it can be frustrating when you're like, I'm hungry and nothing's open. So, but that's okay. That's just kind of how it goes when you don't know the language and you don't know the culture and you don't know the schedules, but it's all right. It's beautiful today. I'm pretty excited about today. Today is Mother's Day, also. In the States. It's about a week late here in Portugal, which we didn't know.
Mother's Day was last week here.
Yeah, so apparently Mother's Day is different in different countries, and we missed it. So we celebrated it today. So happy Mother's Day. The kids are doing all kinds of like fun little things for Mom today. Going out on dates, doing foot massages, and we're just gonna take a walk and enjoy this beautiful day. So that's all we're doing today. Happy Mother's Day, moms.
Happy Mother's Day to anybody who's a mom or wants to be a mom.
Yep. Cheers.
So apparently for Mother's Day, the boys have decided that we should all ride these little bike things. You know, because clearly they know me so well that they would know that I would just love to ride on these bikes. But I'm happy to oblige. Thank you! Oh, this is so funny. Oh, babe, it's like a date.
Sorta.
Oh, I don't know what it's on.
I got it.
So good. I ordered in Portuguese. I'm so proud of myself. I even said please and thank you. Counted out my coins.
Good job. Pretty much Portuguese now.
I'm pretty much fluent. It's true.
Okay, so here's an interesting fact. We're all doing Duolingo now, right? Asher, you're doing Portuguese, right? You're doing Greek. You're doing
French.
yeah. And she's, well,
She does whatever we tell her to do.
she's trying to be a human.
She's trying to figure out English.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Well, I was doing Portuguese and now I'm going to switch to French because we're 3 days.
I'm beating you though. I'm so
Yeah.
far beyond.
And you say you're not competitive.
I know. I'm surprised how much French I know.
Yeah, coming
After
back.
being in Portugal and being like, I can't even figure out how to say I would like a croissant or I would like a sandwich or whatever. I'm like, the French comes out.
So French is like riding a bike.
Yeah, I'm surprised how much I know. Aw, that was such good timing. He's like riding a bike. And then he paid the guy to ride a little bike.
I apparently can't read bus schedules anymore. Now we're gonna head out because I don't trust myself with the bus schedules anymore. For some reason I can't read them. I don't know, like it's Sunday, so they changed it. They have these things that are like during school days and during whatever, like, but they don't say which days those are, so you just kind of gotta guess. And apparently this morning I guessed wrong. So good. Yum. French fries. The face tells everything. The good, delicious.
The meat's really good.
Thank you, pita.gr. First to touch a castle wins.
No. overwhelmed and super teary-eyed. Just thinking about what we're doing, the life that we are privileged enough to lead, traveling the whole world, having that opportunity to fly anywhere, go see whatever we want within budget, within reason. I just got really emotional knowing, like, a couple episodes ago we had posted about that we are living our dream and we're choosing to do this, and we were waiting so long, and so I just get really overwhelmed, like right now in this very moment. Like, I'm living and doing exactly what I want to do to show my kids this world, to show myself this world. Gosh, what a blessing. I feel so blessed, and I don't want to miss out and take this for granted or just forget what an honor it is.
Let's go dance. Come on.
This is how you say chicken backwards. Nickish.
So say it again.
Nickish.
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 Okay. We'll try it.
Chicken.
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 Nickish.
Chicken.
Apparently we felt like this train is not crowded enough, so we decided that we would just make it crowded amongst ourselves.
Welcome to Seixal. Welcome to Seixal. Let me show you around. Welcome to Seixal. Let me show you around. Let me show you around. Welcome to Seixal. Let me show you around.